As the soldering work of EC BITX board was completed, I was quite eager to test a power on to see what will happen. Fortunately, no holy smoke appeared. The VFO dial lighted up. Of course, I do not have any credit for that, as the Raduino board and display were delivered pre-soldered in the kit. And you can see the display and also the RxTX LED which is lit. That is a green LED RxTX. When transmit mode is on, it will go into red. And when I am turning the rotary encoder, you can see the frequencies changing in 1 kilohertz step. And signal strength is shown as S5, and near that you can see the antenna symbol and also LS, meaning that it is lower side band. Now I am reaching the upper part of the 40 meter band, 7135. I am gradually changing it, but it is a slow process because the frequency step is 1 kilohertz only, so it will take a long time to reach the upper end. I have gone beyond the upper end. Now I am trying to check the other functions. It is changed to 10 kilohertz step. You can see that the step has changed from 1 kilohertz to 10 kilohertz, so that it is moving rapidly. Now that is single click. I am coming back to the band, and now double click. Double click means the band will change. You can see that above the S5 it is US, means upper side band, and the frequency displayed is 14200. Kilohertz step is 10. Now I am tuning in the 20 meter band. So the DDS VFO part is working fine, and I need further checks. These are the 4 screws and nuts for fixing the display board over to the front panel. One has been partially fixed here. The assembly can be dismantled into 4 parts: 1 screw, couple of connections and a nut, and they have to be placed in between. That is, one part is to be placed between the display and the front panel. Second part is to be placed between the display and the board, that is those black pieces. It was a bit difficult to place. I could place the upper 2 ones, the combination of screw and nut, so that the display will be stable. Lower part I could not connect because that is deep inside. Maybe I have to use some tweezers to connect it.